Hi there, this is Tech Guy DK. In my continuing saga to try to get my air compressor to work, now I managed to get another pressure valve, which will hopefully fit on my compressor, and there's a small pressure gauge as well. So I hope that is the component that has the fault, and that my air compressor will work after I change this one, replace this one. So I'll try to do that. So let's get started. Okay, I'll start by taking off the old one, putting the camera down so you better can see it. Like that. Okay. This one off. That of course is stuck. I have to get this one off as well, because I had to remount that on the new one. So I got this one off. It was not very cooperative, but I managed to get it off, and so I just have to mount a new one and see if that works. And the new one, as I showed you, looks like this. And well, I think it's just a matter of putting the things back on. Of course, using the isolation tape, as I showed earlier when I put on the pressure switch. One thing I just noticed is that looking at the new pressure regulator here, there's a small arrow at the bottom. Of course, that means air has to go in that way, and that is the opposite way of the old one. So I'm not going to be able to fit it exactly the same way, because the pressure gauge will have to be on the other side. So what I can do is mount it like this with the pressure gauge up. I'm just going to do it loosely now, like this, and then put it on like this. Before it was like that, but that would mean the air would come the wrong way in. So I had to do it like this, and well, that should be okay. This way. I have to do it that way. Yeah. That way it tightens itself when I put it on. that it gets tight. That's just the pressure gauge, same procedure. Just a few turns of this should be enough. So, okay, everything is on and mounted. So let's cross the fingers, and I'll just turn it on and see if it still leaks. I hope not, because I'm getting a little tired of this. So I'll turn off the camera while this one charges up, and then I'll get back to show you the result. Yes, we have success. I'm actually pretty impressed with myself. I made it work. So well, I'm proud. So if you need to repair an air compressor, make sure you just take it one part at a time if it's not obvious where the leak is, and eventually you can fix it. Oh. And you can break it again. That's not the point here. I should be able to pull it out and then adjust the pressure that I want on my hose. I'll take you down there so you can see. As you can see, it has pressure now, and it turned off at 8 bar as it should. That would be 110 psi or so. It is leaking a little bit, I can see, but it's okay. And this one up here, I can get the reflection away. Where is it? There. I can adjust that to whatever I want in my hose. So let's say I want 4 bars. There it is. And so I can mount the hose and start blowing some air. So let's do that. Yeah, sorry about that. That's it. Now it's mounted, and I have my pressure gun here, and I can blow air. Great. So, well, basically that's a success. I'm happy, and well, thumbs up for that. And I can finally conclude this series and get back to some real work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I see you again in another video. Bye.